Stay tuned to get a free pan from Granite Rock. Stuck on eggs? Burnt on batter? You can scrub and scrape, but you can't escape
the nightmare of your sticky pans!
Introducing the Granite Rock Pan, the world's most durable non-stick pan known to man. No butter or oil needed. Watch, we melted down these sticky candies in Granite Rock and it just doesn't stick. We cooked a half dozen eggs, bacon, cheese, and tomato breakfast with no butter or oil and it just doesn't stick. Look, caramels, chocolate, and cheese. Unreal for any other pan, but not for Granite Rock. It just doesn't stick. Granite Rock will be the last pan you'll ever own because it's pressed from a solid aluminum disc for even heat conduction, then coated 3 times with our durable Granite Rock finish. Granite Rock is metal utensil safe. We cut this perfectly seared steak right in the pan without scratching. This salmon cooks skin side down with no added butter or oil. Just doesn't stick. And because Granite Rock is oven rated to 500 degrees, we bake this upside down pan pizza to perfection. And it just doesn't stick. Fire flambe delicious cherry jubilee. Plus, it's PFOA free and dishwasher safe. Call or go online to get your 10-inch Granite Rock pan for just $19.99. Granite Rock is so durable it comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee. And with every order, you're going to get a Granite Rock single-serve egg pan absolutely free. It's the perfect size for personalized eggs, omelets, or frittatas that slide right out. It makes the best bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich quick. Yours absolutely free. We'll even ship your entire order free. You get it all. An incredible value.